Sometimes you find data on a PDF file that you have downloaded from the internet or you have gotten it from somewhere else, and you want to import a tabular data from that PDF into your Excel, and you are wondering how can you copy the table from a PDF into your Excel sheet. That's what I am going to show you in this video. For this tutorial, I have this simple file in which you can see that there is one table, and we want this data to paste it in our Excel sheet without losing the formatting. So what we are going to do is that we are going to do a right click open, and then we are going to choose another app, and from the list we are going to open it with Microsoft Word. So you will get a caution that Word will convert your PDF into an editable Word document, which may take some time. So you can just click OK and wait for the Microsoft Word to convert that PDF file into a Word document. So now this PDF file has been converted into a Word document, and as you can see that now this table can be selected. So now we will open the Excel, open a blank sheet, go back to the Word document, click select the entire table, right click, copy, go to the Excel, select the cell where you want to paste the document. So we are going to just do a little bit of formatting, which is the adjustment of the width of the columns. Rest you can see that now this table has been copied from the PDF into the Word without losing the formatting. If you have any query or if you want to add something, do let us in the comment section. Thanks for watching.